So we continue with Kitzur Shulchan Aruch. So we are on volume number 1 and page 291, and our topic is the laws of the Mourner's Kaddish. It's Siman 26, and we're going to see number 9. Okay, number 9. A Mourner within the Shloshim, who is the guest. So just to remind us, just to give the summary. So when somebody is passing away, right? One of the close relatives, right? There's 7 close relatives for which one is supposed to mourn, right? Is supposed to say Kaddish. Now, I mean men, the grown-up men, and in some cases, as we said last time or the time before that, even a minor can say the Kaddish, right? So, and there are 3 stages in the morning. First stage is the most severe one, 7 days. Next stage is there are some restrictions, some leniencies, right? More lenient than, let's say, than the 7 days. It's a 30 days period. In the next stage is a 1 year period. 1 year, it's only for parents, children to parents. Others is only like 30 days or so. No, not also 30 days. So now we say that during this period, these people have to say Kaddish, right? And in olden days, it's not like today, but in olden days, only one person was supposed to say Kaddish. So it would not be a mess. So in a big shul, when all the people started saying Kaddishes, and sometimes they have no manners and they say very fast, very loud, and other people cannot keep up with them, and they try and they stumble, and basically it's a mess. So this was actually good practice when only one person was saying, but there are reasons why they allowed multiple people to say today, right? I think they encourage people to come to the shul. Otherwise, they would never come. So now, at least, they would come. I don't know when the yahrzeit, meaning the anniversary of the death, at least 1 time, 2 times for all of his relatives. So at least something. Okay. So continue with Siman number 9. So it says the Mourner within Shloshim. Shloshim, we said 30 days. Who is the guest? So it's not his shul. So whoever is the resident has precedence, as we said last time. And the residents within a year of the mourning have equal entitlements to recite Kaddish. So now we say that those 2 people are on equal stands, right? So one, Shloshim, as we said, is more is more important on one hand, but he's a guest, and this person is in the first year. Within a year, meaning it's after the 30 days, so they're on the same level. Okay, so continue number 10. When the resident yahrzeit observer, so now it's a local guy, and yahrzeit observer meaning it's anniversary of his, let's say, mother's passing, right? Observer, and a guest, a mourner, within the Shloshim. So now this is this guy has only 1 chance. So today is his mother's anniversary passing, and the guest is within the 30 days. Okay, so maybe if he misses 1 Kaddish, he can say it tomorrow, right? But he's a guest, right? Both are present, right? So this and this guy. The resident recite the first and second Kaddish, and the guest recite the third Kaddish. 1 second. The resident recite the first and second Kaddish. So the first Kaddish is Derabanan, right? Kaddish Derabanan, and then regular Kaddish. So we give him precedence. Anyway, even like his status, if this second person who is in 30 days would be in a shul, we give him precedence, of course. But now because he's a guest, so he's a lower status. Okay, no problem. I mean, like logically, it's not discrimination, right? I mean, this guy been attending the shul for the past 50 years. Now he wants to say Kaddish because his mother died. So I mean, why should we give the right to somebody else? Just makes sense. I mean, he's been supporting shul for past 50 years. Okay. Continue. Number 11. A guest who is within the year of mourning. So now guest, it's the lowest, as we say, right? Years of mourning. Recites one Kaddish among the resident mourner, who is also within the year of the mourning. Okay, so let's read the commentary. We explain. Sibir Halacha, who writes that wherever a guest is entitled to recite Kaddish and lead the congregation in prayer once every 30 days. So one more time, the guest is entitled to recite Kaddish. So since he's just was a white guest within the year of the morning. So the guest of the year of the morning. So we give him opportunity to say one Kaddish. Okay, that's. I mean, if there is no other local people who can push him like push his right off, right? Push off his right, right? That's also possible, right? So we give him one Kaddish, and he can lead the congregation 120 days. So basically, we say, meaning what that we have other people who also want to lead the congregation, lead the congregation.